5 unexpected places to find your next great business idea. Recently, Apple became the first US company to be valued at $2 trillion. This is all the more striking considering just 2 years ago Apple became the first US company to be valued at $1 trillion. All of this got me thinking, what makes for a $1 trillion business idea? What will the next one be? What's the secret sauce shared by today's rocket ship companies? And, on a much more basic level, what goes into a winning business idea? To begin with, to find out, I put out an open call to friends and colleagues on social media across section of millions of amazing entrepreneurs, innovators and just plain brilliant people from tech, media, retail and more, and asked what inspires their business ideas. Emphasis on pain here, not pain points, but pain. He's talking about real physical frustration and angst. The stuff that bothers you deep down, that keeps you up at night, that makes your life harder and that's begging for relief. It's that kind of urgency and immediacy that's behind some of the best business ideas. Seek and balance. I look for business model disruptions caused by technology. How does technology shift power from one group to another? And what are the scenarios for the incumbent to restore balance? Instability and change always create opportunities. Net new markets and needs emerge. Existing business models can't fill the gap. People are desperate for solutions that help them restore balance. In my experience, entrepreneurs with the energy, vision, and risk tolerance to plunge in early can be rewarded with big upsides. Find frustration. At tech for me, it's the intersection of frustration and technology. Idea-wise, it starts with a problem. Something I am trying to do is difficult. The process is poor or the service is bad. The inspiration comes from everywhere. Great tech is all around us, but people often view it in a narrow fashion. Terry Hogan, Managing Director at Flowcar Finance. What I love about this is the recognition that great business ideas aren't about reinventing the wheel. Frustrations exist. Tools exist. Some of the best entrepreneurs out there just find creative approaches to bring those two elements together in ways that were overlooked before. Plus, apart from solving problems, tech also enables scaling solutions and reaching markets in ways unthinkable before. Ask yourself, what's not here? Well, in my current operation in Mexico, I couldn't find a good cup of coffee. So I bought a ProBath roaster and the game was on. Alec Tidy, owner, Baja Beans Roasting Company. Alec makes this sound easy, but it's not. Some of the best entrepreneurs out there have a knack for sensing what's absent and filling that gap. Being a boundary crosser helps. Jumping between different geographies, disciplines or demographics makes it easier to spot what's missing. Alec fits the bill nicely, a Canadian hockey player turned Mexican coffee roaster. Not lips when I truly listen to what people are saying and hear what they're truly needing, not what they think they need. That's where the magic happens. This reminds me of what Steve Jobs said about customers in the context of the iPhone. Our job is to figure out what they're going to want before they do. Great entrepreneurs sense the problems and solutions people don't even know they have. Their businesses are less about giving customers what they explicitly ask for than intuiting and serving deeper underlying need. Thanks so much to everyone who shared their brilliant ideas. Startup success is hardly an exact science and execution obviously plays a central role. But great ideas, so often dismissed as napkin sketches, really do matter. My own company started with a simple question. Wouldn't it be great if you could manage all your social networks from one place? Follow me on Twitter or LinkedIn. Check out my website or some of my other work here.